I recently flew from Nairobi to JFK on Qatar Airways and had a 16-hour layover in Doha. Here's how I made the most of that time. We landed around 11:30 p.m., and let me tell you, Doha Airport was hopping even at that time of night. After I got through customs and immigration, I checked into the Oryx Airport Hotel around midnight and grabbed a few hours of sleep. I woke up at 4 a.m. and grabbed a quick shower before heading back down into the airport. I had to check in at 5 a.m. for my Qatar Airways transit tour. After I checked in for the tour, I had to wait a bit for my driver, so I grabbed some breakfast in the airport. Once my driver picked me up, we headed about an hour south of the airport for the Inland Sea Tour. I made a whole separate video about that, and I'll link it in the cards and in the description below. I was back at the airport by 11 a.m., which gave me plenty of time to check out both of Qatar's business class lounges before boarding my flight to JFK at 2:50 p.m. And at 3:20, we were off to JFK. I flew to JFK in Qatar's Q Suites, and I'm going to make a whole separate video about that, so be sure to subscribe if that's something you'd be interested in watching.